Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. And today we're going to be talking about United Airlines. What do I personally think about United Airlines? Do I think United Airlines is a good buy right now at these levels? And where is the stock going to go in the future? Before I start the video, just know that this is not financial advice, just my personal recommendation and opinion on United Airlines. So let's get the video started. So as you guys know, travel has taken a really big hit because of the whole pandemic and stuff like that. People are not really traveling right now, and it's leading people to kind of ask the question, when are, travel stocks going to recover? I personally don't see travel stocks recovering until the next year, but now is a really good time to pick up United Airlines. Why? Because one, it's a huge airline company. I mean, they've been around for a very long time, and travel is not going to go anywhere. Currently, yes, it's not doing so well because no one is traveling, and the pandemic doesn't even allow you to travel as well. But United Airlines, it's a national airline. It's always done super well. And I mean, you guys have to think about a big airline sitting at $34.36 when this thing was sitting close to about $80 to $85 before the pandemic hit. I don't think airlines are actually going to go any lower than they are now. All their earnings and how bad they're actually doing is all priced in. People know that airlines are not doing well right now. But now, for me, I personally think right now is actually a very good time to pick up some airlines because, like I said, eventually airlines are going to recover. United Airlines is eventually going to recover. I'm holding 30 shares of United Airlines. And the reason I am is because, like I said, I think the stock is going to do very well. I think when this does recover, I mean, you're looking at triple your return anyway. And, you have to understand that the airline industry is going to come back even stronger because people are going to be missing all this time, traveling. People didn't get to travel this summer. They didn't get to go on vacation. So when people are allowed to fly again, people are actually going to be booking up flights like crazy. Obviously, no one knows when airlines are actually going to recover, but right now is actually a very good time to pick up some United Airlines. And I'm actually very bullish on airlines, although not in the short term, but I am in the long term. Why? Because, like I said, travel is not going to go anywhere. Travel is going to be here forever. And, right now it's very cheap to pick up United Airlines. Although you don't have to go, 100% your portfolio, I would recommend picking up at least 10, 15, 20 shares if you have the money laying around. I'm 100% certain you will not be disappointed. And like I said, I feel like, travel industry is going to come back with a vengeance, whether it be rental, airlines, cruises and stuff like that. I feel like right now people are paying a lot more attention to the tech, kind of leaving travel in the dust. But you guys have to understand these stocks will eventually recover. They are not going to go anywhere. Travel is not going to go anywhere. And you have to understand that travel stocks, especially airlines, are not going to go anywhere. People fly for business. They fly for vacation. They fly for work. They fly for a multitude of reasons. This is why I feel like this industry is never going to die. On top of that, they do have the help of the government in case things do go south. They do have bailout and stuff like that. But with that being said, I do think United Airlines is a great buy. I think right now is a very good time to pick up some shares of United Airlines. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Thank you guys for clicking on the video.